Welcome to Inkazumulo Center's YouTube channel. La sikhuluma khona ngakho konke okubandakanya nemarket. Igama uStan Lewis, your favorite trader. You just don't know it yet. Ngithanda ukubonga kubo bonke abasubscribile kule channel lena. Nisiza le channel ukuthi ikhule. Khona abangasubscribanga but bayawabuka ama video wami. Guys, cela ni subscribe. So, kuningi okuzayo, cela ni subscribe and enjoy the video that is coming right now. So ngibona i-opportunity la ku-GBP JPY. Yeah, i-opportunity ye-buy. So why ngibuy? I-price created a fair value gap lela. Yeah. Yeah. Izongishiya lento. Angishiya. So ama-riding wala nangaka wa understand avaya kanjani. Pip value, trade value. Yeah, singene ngayo la. So ngibona le buy le yenzeka because iceda kuthatha ini i-Asia high right here. Sisanda kuthatha i-Asia high, then i-price ya creator in this fair value gap le engimarket before. Then after that fair value gap, price ile yastola yaphinde yabuya like ile yadlala, then yabhaya, then yaphinde yabuya ishaya le fair value gap. This fair value gap right here, fair value gap which time frame? I think 15 minutes. Network. So ishaya yona then yabuya futhi kule fair value gap lela phansi. So ngayibhaya ke. But because ngifike late kule trade le, ngibone le IFVG le right here. So bekamele ngingene la. If bongangena on the first buy, this was the re-entry network. So le bekuyi re-entry kahle kahle. So ngi-execute buy naye stop loss sami because vele seyimuvile sela ikhona, I can put my stop loss khona la. Then target ngizoya ku higher time frame ngibheke like i-buy side liquidity enye. So we have this buy there. This one 19 USD. That's the first one. I think the second one. Okay, so my overall target will be this one. Previous day high. Be right like so my target lapha, but then I don't think. Let me see. It might buy until there. So mangabe buy, then it will require me to hold for lawa mayamalanga and stuff. So ngizobona, but I don't wanna hold. Angifuni hold. So first target is this high right here. First target, you know. So let's just target that one. So our risk to reward yethu nayibona crazy. It's like 1:1, but then sizo minimize. So ngibona this IFVG right here, confirm value gap la. No, this value gap. So I push the price, but ngibona this other IFVG right here. Price might test it lena instead of layer. So this one right here. So mayibuya la ngizo-adda another entry fee mayizongena phakathi kwale box le sithi inverse fair value gap or fair value gap, but then nayenye la, but ngiyayidoubt that one. Anti iyathanda ukuyenzeka uma ngabe ngidoubt i-fair value gap ivele i-buy or i-sell. But then i-move engiyilindele ukuyibona is like this row. So mayifika la phansi ngizo-pyramid. Pyramid meaning ngizo-enter more trades. Lena siyibiza nge-continuation trade. Iya-continue kahle continue, it's going long. Overall yabo besi-bullish mangabe niyayibona kahle. So iya-continue. Yeah, let's see. Nozo-ke, so mayelana we buy more. Yeah. Ufuna ukubona the next candlestick ukuthi sizoclose kanjani, lizo-starta kanjani, sorry. Then if it stalls, I'll pyramid more. Mangabe libe lisadlala endaweni eyi-1 ngizo-adda another entry. Okay. So naye yehla, so nga-adda another entry because iyastola vele, it's stalling, idlalele endaweni eyi-1. So now that is my target engisho feel. So mayizothatha le high le, immediately mayiqeda ukuyithatha ngizomova i-stop loss sami. Yeah, ngizos-minimize, like ngizosafula unless if iyayehla vele and take me out with e-loss on this trade. Eban. So it seems like this is a losing trade in a way. So e-loss that I took right now. So into engiyibonayo njengoba ingayanga phezulu kusho ukuthi we still continuing the trend le, in short term trend, which is a bearish trend. So I will just rest for like 30 minutes so and see ukuthi price ifuna ukuyenzani, then come back later. Buye kuyo that time mina execute ama trades la, it was retracing ukuthi izothatha this izo-retesta this fair value gap la phansi, so currently 9 days yenza. for 5 minutes ikanje price. Sorry ngomsindo. Okay, so ngizobona during for the day I think I'm done. Yeah, so I'll just take the loss then, which is 2 days lost. Now 16 USD. Yeah, 16 USD after making this. So ngilenga yenza 206 USD the other day, and then ngizodrop video yakhona via. Okay, I don't know if this one would drop. Yeah, there's a video where I discuss ukuthi ngiyenze kanjani i206 USD ngale trade one ye Nasdaq. So yeah, that's it for the day.